Good morning, Twin Lakes. We welcome you to That Indian Show, which is produced by Marketing and Interactive Media students at Twin Lakes High School. I'm your host, Makai Galvin, alongside our new host,
Colby Smock.
And we welcome you back.
Whoa, that is moving quick, Mike. What do you say?
We have no idea what to say right now.
Right now, we are improvising, believe it or not. We're pretty good at it.
All right, writers. Want to be published? The TL Writing Club is publishing a collection of the work of the students and staff of TLHS, and we want you to be included. Send your writing, stories, and poems, whatever, to Dr. Hawthorne through your class of site on TL campus by Friday, March 22nd. If you have any questions, contact Dr. Hawthorne.
Great lady. She's a great lady. Seniors, if you have not seen Mrs. Street in Student Services, to check your name for your diploma, please do so as soon as possible. Would you like a free yearbook? The yearbook staff is sponsoring a cookie dough sale to help students earn free or reduced priced yearbook. Pick up your information in the main office or outside room 244. That is 244 again. Sale ends March 11th, so you better get to it.
And we'll be right back after this message.
Think about this just in your head. We don't have to write it all down. What are some of the things you want most in life?
Fraternal organizations are the ones that are going to do specific on-the-ground service to their communities.
How much do you need for that fixed expense? How much running around are you going to do?
I've learned a lot about credit cards, and we're about to learn something about our future.
We did insurance. He talked about the types of insurances, the types to get, and he also explained the insurances and what he recommended.
Twin Lakes High School Theater is presenting Hello Dolly on Friday, March 8th and Saturday, March 9th at 7:30 p.m. Reserved tickets are $7 and tickets to the door are $8. Come support Twin Lakes Theater.
Good morning, Twin Lakes. I'm Ty Close, and this is
Taylor Maiden.
Welcome to That Indian Show.
The Bank of Wolcott is pleased to announce their 2019 scholarship program. Applications are limited. See Mrs. Street in the Student Services for an application. Applications must be postmarked no later than March 15th. We will be right back after this commercial break.
My name is Mr. Rogers. Currently, we have the robotics. It's called Robotics Design and Innovation class. So, for the Robotics Design and Innovation class, we're really looking at automation, and it's really used a lot in manufacturing today. If you've ever been inside a factory recently, automation, robotics, same thing, is everywhere. So in this class, they're learning how to program and build mechanisms. So we've studied the different mechanisms, did some of the math behind it, mechanical advantages, gear ratios, velocities, and then we try to apply that automatically through programming using a computer. It's hands-on, so the application's right there in front of you. You don't have to wonder where it's going to be applied at. You're using it. Well, the technological part behind all the work today, we address some of those. The other part is using your mind with your hands and creating something, doing something with it. And then problem solving. I mean, all of it's a problem. If the thing isn't working the way you want, you got to find out what the problem is, get to the root cause, try to address it. Here in White County alone, 30% of the population works in manufacturing. And manufacturing doesn't mean dull and boring. It can be. Certainly you can find jobs like that, but it is advanced. It's more of a technological study now you have to work at. The more skills you have, the more rewards you're going to get. So this could be a place where you start that, or at least explore it.
Seniors, these next two announcements are for you, so listen closely. First, you need to order your senior magazines today. They are only $10 and they are created just for you. They will feature best offs, most likelies, and biggest senior of the year.
What is that supposed to mean?
I have no idea. Pick up your order form from Mrs. Rogers or one of the Benningtons. There are many of them.
That's a good point. That's a real good point.
Seniors.
I finally figured out how to use my microphone, so if I start talking a lot, it's probably because I'm kind of excited.
Seniors, you should also know it is time for many of you to get your second hepatitis A vaccine.
Are you for real? Are you kidding?
If you haven't already.
Ooh.
Please see Mrs. Wright in the clinic if you are not sure.
What even is that?
Expect your immunizations to be complete before school starts.
It must be a lot of hepatitis. I feel like I've already got like 3 of them. Isn't there like A, B, C, D, maybe an E too?
Probably pretty bad.
Yeah.
All right, now me and Colby bring you to our new segment, Tips for April Fools. Since it is March, Colby has decided to come up with a tip for your April Fool. What is your first tip for this week?
It's a pretty important one. It's kind of like riding a bike, you know. Once you get it, it never goes away.
And what is the tip?
Still thinking about it, Mike. Next week, and I'll have one next week.
All right. Apparently, we will have a tip for you next week.
It was just like a precursor. We're getting them ready.
Thanks for joining us today on That Indian Show. I'm Makai Galvin.
I'm Colby Smock.
Stay classy, Twin Lakes, and have a great week.
You